Alright, well, I figure I'd throw up another video. Well, you see it. It's cold outside. The garage door is open. But let me show y'all what I'm up to. Well, this should be long enough. At least I hope it is. But here's the sending unit wire. Alright, gas tank is in. Lines connected. Let's see. I got my breather over here. I got my return line right here. I still might cut this line down some so it could go like bam, like a little smoother transition. I got my sending unit wire. Now I'm about to do the ground wire real quick. Put it over here to this bolt right here, and that'll conclude all the issues been having with this fucking gas tank. But from right here, granted the car's up in the air a little bit, but it don't hang down as low as the other one, so I'm already pleased with it. I'm not pleased with the dude I did business with, but it is what it is. But gas tank is in the car. Let me do this ground wire real quick. Alright, car back on the ground. Gas tank in. It's actually a decent fit. Yeah. So, but you gotta back up quite a ways before you see it. It's better than the last tank. Alright, well, next I'm gonna try to get this car tuned, but considering the tires that I have, I might have to wait until the weather breaks, because these ain't gonna be worth a damn. My phone died, but now the car is back on the ground. So with the car on the ground, that's about what you see. I gotta back up a little ways. Hold on, I'll show y'all. Let me unplug this charger. Alright, this is with the car on the ground. Let's see. About right here is when you start to see it with the car on the ground. So, and mind you, just alright, I got my sending unit wire, I got my ground. I'm sorry, I thought I took some of the slack out, but whatever. It is what it is. But the tank in there, I still might, it ain't no bind in it, but I still might redo this line.